Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with a new website. It's called Customing. So the Customing is an online platform that specializes in custom apparel and merchandise. It allows individuals and groups to design and order personalized items such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, bags, and more. So to get started with Customing, simply head on over to Customlink or customlink.com in Google. And this is all the results I got after my search over here in Instagram, in Facebook, in YouTube, and also in Wikipedia. So we need the official website. That means this one, the first one, Custom Inc. Let's click on it. So now we are in the interface of this website. Like see with me here, we have a lot of items, hats, t-shirts, hoodies. So we'll come back here later after I show you how to create an account or how to get started. So to get started, we need just to go over here and click on it. So to create an account, you need to go over here on your account and click on it, and then if you have already an account, you will just enter the email address and then continue with email, and have other choices like continue with Google and Facebook. And if this is the first time, you will just sign up from here. Don't have an account. Okay, let's sign up for the first time. This is some information that you need to enter. The email address. Okay, give me a moment. So the email address we have. Then we need to enter the password. And confirm it. And then click on continue. And also here we have other choices to sign up. It's from Google or Facebook. Okay, let's click on continue. So we have here the platform offers a wide range of apparel and merchandise options to choose from, including various styles, sizes, and colors. User can browse through different options to find the items that best suits their needs over here. And for the group ordering, the Customing specialized in group orders, making it easy for teams, organizations, and events to order personalized items for their members or participants. Users can set up group order pages and collect sizes and payments from group members. And let's try to create a design. Okay, we have here the design lab, and okay, and start, excuse me. Okay, let's cancel this one, and here we can start designing and choose any product that we want. We have t-shirts, hoodies, and more. Here we can change the products. Here you can search for any product that you want: t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, tables, like you see with me over here. Okay, we have too many different choices. Okay, let's sell and stay in the t-shirts. We have the front of the t-shirts and the back, and also the sleeve design. Okay, you can find the sleeves over here. And to add a text on the front on the t-shirts, you will just click on the front and then add a text, and you will write whatever you want and add to design. And then if you want to add an art, you can choose it from here and search for an artwork, like example emojis or shapes and symbols, sports and games, letters and numbers. We have so many choices over here. Okay, let's try to find something in nature and the beach, like example sun. Okay, we have these designs here, or the stickers. Okay, let's try this one. And we can change the size of the sticker from that button over here, and you can change the place on this of the sticker whatever you want. Okay, let's let it there. And we have the product color. Okay, we have different colors here, like example let's choose this lavender over here. And then if you want to add a name, like example the name of your company or something like it, just you need to click on it. And this is the parameter of your name: the step, the side, height, the color, and you will just click on this one. So this is how to design any product that you want. Just choose one from here and start designing it with all the liberty that you have. And let me tell you that the quality of the printing and custom link uses advanced printing techniques to ensure high quality and long-lasting prints on the selected apparel and merchandise items. They prioritize the use of durable and vibrant printing method. So this is our site today. Please, if you understand me and like the video, please follow and subscribe for more. Like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.